Hey there. Today I'm really excited to share with you a brand new feature that we have just deployed that allows you to create agendas for your events. So now on the cockpit, you'll see that you have, for all of your events, you have this section here on the left side, which is agenda. On the agenda, you can configure different sessions and different speakers for your events. In the sessions area, you can see the different days that the event is available. So this event is available during 4 days, and I can create a new session in this case. So let's start to create the first session. Main keynote. When you create the session, you can say here on the right if it's private or if it's public. In case it is public, this will be available or this will be shown in the event page of your event before the attendees enter your event. So it will be available for all participants. If you click private, only the attendees that enter into the event will be able to see it once they are inside the event, and nothing will be shown in the event page. The second field that you need to select is where is this session happening. So it's the location where this session is going to happen. Here you can select the main stage, the networking, or one of the different rooms that exist inside your event. So let's say that this one is going to happen on the main stage. You can say at what time this session is going to happen. So let's say that it starts at 6 p.m. and will last until 8 p.m. Okay. Now you can say that you can add or not speakers to your session. In this case, we have not yet added any speaker, but you can add them here. You could select one that exists already, or you can directly add from this button. So let's add on it, for example. You can say the title that he has, the company. This will populate the profile as a normal attendee. You can say if he's based somewhere. LinkedIn, this has the same settings as the profile of the user, but you can also add a description in this case. You can also change his avatar picture if you want. And as similar to the sessions, you can say that this speaker is private or public. In case they are public, they will be shown on the event page in a separate section. And in case they are private, only the attendees that are inside the event will be able to see that this speaker is speaking on this session at this time. So let's just create a simple profile of this speaker and save it. The speaker is added automatically to this drop down, and you can add a description of this section. Okay, Veertly features presentation, for example, and you can save it. Now you can see when this session is going to happen. So this is in green because this is already in the past. And here you can see that this section is happening in the main stage, in the main keynote. You can add the speakers. You can see that the speaker is here. You can update the speaker, and it will be updated on the session as well as you can add a new speaker. Now, if you want to add a new session, you can type workshop 3:00 until 9 p.m., for example. And you can set speakers or not, and you can say where this is going to happen. So you can set room A, and I can quickly add a new one. It should be workshop E. That will happen as well from 8 to 9. You can see that it's conflicting with the main stage, but if I put in room A, put in room B, it will be configured correctly. And you can see that the two workshops are happening at the same time here on this session. You could also add sessions in other days of the event, of your event, or just show them here, as well as new speakers to mention. So I hope this will help you creating new sessions and interactions with your attendees, that you can explain what's happening in your event.